This is the last governorship election appeal judgment for this cycle, and the petition of the governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress in Adamawa State, Mrs. Aisha to Dahiru, popularly known as Binani, is in focus before a 5-member panel of justices of the Supreme Court. In dismissing the appeal for lacking in merit, the Apex Court held that the act of the Resident Electoral Commissioner in Adamawa State, Mr. Hudu Ari, was an act of irresponsibility and criminality. Justice Okoro further held that it is the returning officer appointed by INEC that has the duty to announce results, explaining that any other person who assumes that role acts illegally. The court further held that Binani engaged in self-deceit by hanging to the unlawful and unconstitutional acts of Mr. Ari to believe she was a winner of the governorship election. The court questioned the decision of the REC to hastily declare the results when collation was yet to be concluded. The Apex Court added further that the REC ought to have appeared before the Adamawa State Election Tribunal to defend the results he declared. The justices warned public officers to always act within the law in discharging their duties and not get carried away by greed. The court added that the time has come for people of dignity and integrity to be appointed to conduct elections, as this will make Nigerians have faith in the democracy. The court added that the time has come for people of dignity and integrity to be appointed to conduct elections, as this will make Nigerians have faith in the democracy.
We are very pleased with the outcome that the mandates expressed by the people of Adamawa State, as affirmed by INEC, as affirmed by the tribunal, as affirmed by the Court of Appeal, has been affirmed today by the Supreme Court.
The governor also reacts to the Supreme Court's judgment.
To my people in the state that have stood firm with me throughout this trial time, I'm grateful for them. And to my entire well-wishers across the country, this victory will only spur us more to do better for our state. We will continue to ensure that only the best is delivered to our people. And I call on every citizen of the state to join me in building the greater Adamawa State.
This judgment finally ends all legal battle on who is the actual governor of Adamawa State. Governor Fintin hopes he can now fully focus on governance in the state. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.